putting the Miami-Dade County diesel-powered hot water pressure washer back under a tank skid. These are one out of 4 tank skids. I sold them a couple years ago. Hydro-Tek unit, hold on a second. Never mind. Yeah, Miami-Dade County tank skids, they're pretty nice setups. If anybody needs something they can slide in and slide out on the go. That's 270 gallon tank, 45 gallon tank, chemical tank, 30-inch hose reels, extra amount of 1-inch inlet hose. You can put 200, 300, 400 foot of high pressure hose on that reel. For more information, contact Dan Swede, Industrial Cleaning Equipment and Supply, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 954-778-4386. For more details, for sales at ICES.net. And thank you.